How to see your MS in Parkour Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in Roblox Parkour, which is also known as Parkour Reborn or simulate games, MS usually refers to movement speed or milliseconds, that is ping depending on the context. And here's how you can check both possibilities. First of all, you need to check the movement speed. Some Parkour games let you see your movement stats such as your speed, stamina, or multipliers. If that's what you're referring to, you need to equip your gear. Example, gloves, shoes, etc. And some items increase your MS. So open the stats panel, press M, Tab, or F1, which varies by game, and to open the player menu or stats screen. Look for the label like speed, movement speed, or MS. Use the speedometer gear if available in the shop or inventory. This gear shows your real-time MS when running. If you don't see anything, the game may not display MS directly without specific gear or developer access. To check ping on milliseconds or MS, if you mean network latency, which affects how smooth your gameplay is, you need to press Shift plus F5, which is the Roblox debug hotkey, and a small panel should appear showing ping, that is MS, your latency. And FPS means your frames per second. Incoming and outgoing data means useful for performance debugging. And if you're following my tutorial, if a tutorial video or guide says check your MS and you're unsure what they mean, check the video HUD to see if they're referencing movement speed, distance covered, or the ping, which is network delay. Pause the video and look for any custom UI elements or gear being used. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.